Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Taurus, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your reading. Okay. Oh my God. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Taurus, this is your current energy. It seems like you wanted to start something, okay, or perhaps you were waiting for some good time to come in your life, or perhaps you were waiting for something to happen, but that thing is not happening as of now for you. So I feel that some of you guys must be feeling disheartened or demotivated in life, but you need not to worry, because this is Wheel of Fortune and time keeps on rotating. So if it's your bad time right now, if you are facing some issues in your life right now, don't worry, because your good time is about to come in your life. All right. Okay. And Ace of Wands, this is your partner's current energy. With this card, I feel that your person Taurus is up to something, okay. They want to start something new in their life. They want to take some action towards something in life. It could be you as well. Perhaps they want to take solid action towards you, okay. Perhaps they want to build a home with you, okay. Perhaps they want to get married to you or something solid, okay. They are eager and they are very energetic at this point of time in life. They really want to take some solid action, okay. And yes, universe is also guiding them in this process, that how they should take their next step, if in case they are approaching to you, or else whatever the case it is, if they are approaching to you or if they are doing anything else, whatever they are doing, there is some kind of a beginning, okay. Some beginning is happening for them, and I'm seeing that universe is making arrangements for them to move ahead in life. All right, so this is your partner's current energy. Now let's see how you feel about each other, or what you feel about each other. Oh my God, Lovers. Is it Taurus that you wanted this person to take some action towards you, and since they were into some they were not sure about their feelings, or it could also happen that they were not aware about their feelings, or they were not aware that how they should take a first step towards you. Perhaps you are feeling in that way, you are feeling that it's not my time, or you are feeling disheartened. All right, it could happen with you. There is no big deal. So we have the Lovers. Whenever you see them, whenever you think about them, whenever you talk about them, you feel that there is a mutual connection between you and them. You feel that there is a mutual bonding between you and them somehow, or perhaps you have not figured it out that what happens with you when they are around you. But yes, I feel that they are your soulmate. Deep down in your heart, you feel a connection with them, a bond with them, but since you are into your own energies, so I believe that you are not able to understand what's happening with you, okay. So whenever you see them, whenever you talk to them, you feel good, okay. And it is just because you feel that at some point of time you feel that this person is my soulmate, okay, with whom I can share my things, all my good and bad traits, okay, all my flaws. All right, so you see them as somebody who is your soulmate. On the other hand, your person sees you as somebody, first they see you as somebody who is a very social person, okay. You have a very social you have a very big social life. You are somebody who is always into celebration, okay. Celebration doesn't mean that you always go out and hang out with your friends. it means that you are somebody who is, who is, everybody loves you, okay, everybody adores you, everybody look up to you whenever they are into some trouble situation, or whenever they need some guidance, or some assurance, or some kind of a help, okay. So you are somebody who is very helpful, okay. They see you as somebody who is very kind, very compassionate, okay. They see you as somebody who is always, surrounded by so many people, okay, because people loves you, okay, people loves you. And on the other hand, with this page of cups, they also feel about you, Taurus, that you are someone who can give them something solid to them, okay. You are, I mean, they see you as somebody, as a new offer in love, new offer in relationship, okay. So with this page of cups, they see you as somebody who is a genuine person, who has solid commitments, okay, who can, who can give solid commitments. And plus you also, they also see you as somebody who is not a liar, basically, okay. They see you as somebody, you are, I mean, for them you are man of your words, okay. If you are saying that, okay, I'm going to do this, then you make sure that you are doing that particular thing. So yes, as a lot of people appreciate you, they also adore you, they also appreciate you, they also feel a beginning with you, okay. Now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are, oh god, what action you guys are taking towards each other. King of Wands, this is your card, Taurus. It seems like you want to take some solid action towards this person, but you have your own limits. But I think that these limits are nothing, it's just you have made it in your mind. Oh, by the way, we have got Queen of Queen of Wands. So Taurus, you are eager to take some action towards this person, but you have your own limitations, you have your own comfort zone, I would say. Can you see this lizard? Perhaps this is your fear, okay. You have some fears in your mind that what if I approach this person and this person neglects my offer or reject my offer, what will I do, okay. That's why you feel, most of the time you feel lost in their thoughts. How should I approach this person, how should I talk to this person? And that's why you are into your own energies, you are into your own zone, you are into your comfort zone. That's why you are not able to take any action towards this person, okay. On the other hand, I feel that it's your person who's feeling very very tired as of now, because I'm seeing that this person is into so many things at the same time, okay. They are feeling overburdened, they are feeling overwhelmed, okay. Perhaps they are somebody who has been through a lot of bad relationships, and now at this point of time they don't want to put any extra effort towards anybody, okay. Be it you or be it anybody else. But yes, when it comes to take action towards you or towards this relationship, this person feels overburdened. This person feels, I'm not going to chase anyone, I'm not going to talk anyone, okay. If you want them, I mean, that's how they feel, that if somebody wants me, they can come and talk to me, I'm not going to chase anyone, okay. Because I'm already very much occupied in my own life, I'm already very busy in my own life, I have a lot of things to do in my own life, okay. Perhaps this person is somebody who is working towards their own finances, their own goals, or something like that, okay. So this person is also seems like very busy, and I'm not seeing any action from their end also, okay. Now let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. So we have 8 of Pentacles. It's your mind game, Taurus, because you feel lethargic, or I would say you feel that you have to put all your efforts in this relationship, but that's not the case, Okay, you feel that you are the one who is giving all the things, all the efforts. I mean, you feel that you are making all your efforts. Okay, you are continuously working in this relationship or towards this person, but this person is not doing anything. But I'm not saying this, I'm not seeing any kind of this thing. It's, you feel that it's your feeling. Okay, but the thing is that you are not doing anything, Taurus. Okay, you have just made up in your mind, this is nothing but your thoughts, that oh god, what if I have to, if I commit to this person, I will have to work 24/7, not in terms of earning money or something like that, but yes, you feel that if you say or if you approach this person, perhaps you have a fear that this person will be after your life, that that hey, give me some time, okay, I want to talk to you, or just talk to me, or just let me know what are you up to, or something like that. So that's why you are feeling, sometimes you feel fearful. Okay, and that's why you pretend that you are busy somewhere else, but you are not. Okay, and I think that this is your nothing but your fear that you have to give a lot of time to this person, but nothing is like that way. Okay, now let's see how your person is feeling in this relationship. Okay, how they are feeling in this relationship. Temperance. I would say this person is somebody who is bringing balance into their own thoughts. Okay, and they are somebody who want to chase you but don't want to chase you, who want to who wants your love but don't want your love. So they are somebody who is bringing balance into their heart and mind. Okay, they are somebody who is going through a lot of conflicts in their life, but the best part is that they are choosing to bring balance. Okay, they are ignoring all such issues, all such things, whatever the thoughts, whatever the thought is coming into their mind or into their heart, they are choosing to ignore it. Okay, and rather than focusing on such issues or focusing on such thoughts, they are giving their time to meditation. Okay, perhaps they want to understand what's happening around you, or perhaps they want to understand what's going on with you. Okay, what you are up to, what you are thinking about them. Okay, so they are being very calm, very mature. Okay, they have emotions for you. It's not that they don't have any emotions for you, they have emotions, but they know when to show their emotion towards you and when to hold back. Okay, now let's see what is the mutual energy and the future potential of this relationship. Somewhere both of you are stuck in your own comfort zone. Okay, with this 8 of swords. Both of you have a see here, both of you are on a same page. All right, but you have your own fears, they have their own fears. So both of you are being somebody who has their own comfort zone, who has their own fears. Okay, so in that case nobody can help you if you guys are going to be in this energy. Okay, because at the end you are the one who can take action towards your life, and the same goes for them as well. Okay, it's up to you whether you want to move out from this energy or not, whether you want to trust the other person or not. Trusting somebody is up to you. Okay, giving chance to someone is up to you, and that goes for both of you. If your person is somebody who has been through so many bad relationships, it is completely up to them whether they want to give another chance to a new person, like means you, or not. Okay, so both of you are on same page when it comes to mutual energy. Okay, both of you are feeling fearful, or both of you are into your own comfort zone. Okay, but the thing is that nobody can help you until you help yourself. The future potential of this reading or this relationship is 6 of wands. It seems like somebody is definitely going to break the ice. someone is about to do something in this relationship, and I feel it is them, because Ace of Wands is telling me that universe has made an arrangement for them to proceed further. Okay, so I feel that this is them. It's them. They are definitely going to take a solid action towards you. They are definitely going to come forward and talk to you. Okay, and perhaps they are being somebody who will confront their fears and their you know all the bad traits in front of you, that hey, I was going through this emotion, and that's why I couldn't connect with you that time, but now I have conquered all my fears, and now I'm in front of you. Okay, you want to choose me or not, that's completely up to you, but yes, I have conquered my fear. All right, now let's see what angel is asking you to do in this situation. Let's see angel guidance cards. Okay, choose a new direction. Angels are asking you to choose a new direction. Okay, perhaps this is a message for you, not for them, because I'm seeing that in future they are going to confront their emotion in front of you. Okay, they are going to overcome their fear in future, but it's you who will be in this energy, 8 of Swords. So in that case, I feel that angels are asking you to choose a different direction. Okay, perhaps you need to work on your mindset. As I told you that few minutes back, that it's you. I mean, it's completely up to you whether you want to give a chance to this person or not. Similarly, angels are also saying in the same way that choose a new direction. Perhaps you need to work out on your own mental barriers. All right, now let's see. Taurus, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Gemini with this Lovers card. We have fire sign in this reading: Gemini, Libra, oh sorry, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. With this King of Wands, 6 of Wands, Ace of Wands, and 10 of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this 8 of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 8 of Swords. We have water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this 3 of Cups and Page of Cups. And we have Sagittarius in this readings with this Temperance card. Alright. So Taurus people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye, and stay home and stay safe. Thank you.